Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add the Scotia Bank app card to your Apple Wallet. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this simple method. So first of all, you will just open your Scotia Bank app card. So here you have to follow. Just click on here at your bank, okay, whichever your credit card is. Then here you have to click on this reward option. Just click on there. Then click on redeem reward. So right here, click on the cards. Then here you have to click on this add to Apple Wallet. When you will just click on there, like here you can see your Apple Wallet, like in your Apple Wallet it will be added. You can see here, just click on add and it will be loading and your card has been added. You can just click on finish and it's done. So by this way you can just do it. It's a easy process. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.